Stop the car. Range Rover, turn off the car. Turn it off. Open the door. Let me see your hand. Stop reaching for that. Let me see your hand. Hey, he's reaching in the glove compartment. All right.
Driver, open the door. Let me see your hands. Get those hands. Get it back up. Get it back up. 6846. Santa Monica Boulevard. Pursuit of a hit and run driver. Southbound 101 from Santa Monica. Southbound 101 from Santa Monica. Southbound 101 from
Southbound 101 from Santa Monica.
In pursuit. It's in Melrose. Requesting an airship and a backup. Hurry up.
101 southbound, passing Melrose.
This guy's yeah. Turn your hands up! 6846 requesting help. Officer needs help. Shots fired. I have a man with a gun. He just ran onto the on-ramp with a gun. He's a male, white or Hispanic, with a gray shirt, black pants, carrying a black handgun. Officer needs help. Get your hands up!
Oh yes, officer needs help. Shots fired, officer needs help.
See you in there? Okay, start throwing them out.
Gray shirt, black handgun. 6846, proceed your location.
6846, I'm on southbound 101, just south of Melrose. In the number 1 lane. I need a perimeter, I need an airship, and I need help.
Face away from me! Put your hands on the back!
Officer needs help. Southbound 101, south of Melrose, southbound 101.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Number 1 needs shots fired. Any unit within Harut frequency.
Airship, I see you. You see us on the freeway. The suspect just ran on the southbound. I'm sorry, he ran down the northbound on-ramp. I need a perimeter. He just ran down that on-ramp. He's a male armed with a gun.
Yes, I got the road and the on-ramp.
Hey, prone that guy out. The guy with the gun just ran that way. Get him in custody. I gotta communicate. Get him in custody.
Down that way.
Male, white or Hispanic, gray shirt, black pants, black handgun. Okay, I need you guys to hook that guy up.
Okay, let me search the perimeter set up here. Let's get all the way from Vermont up to...
Hook that guy up, please. Hook him up.
Stand by 1 second.
He ran down that on-ramp one. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Airship, hurry up.
Yeah, guys, hang on a second. Let's try to get some entertainment set up on this here real quick. Let's go from Normandy up to Melrose.
Airship, he ran down that on-ramp and southbound. I need a perimeter. Can you set that up?
Have somebody. You got deep, I got this. Steve's got those. Hold there, hold there. Just like I gotta slide that way, slide that way, slide that way. Slide that way. Bring that arrest team up. Hey, you gotta make sure this guy doesn't get inside a door or something. He's got door access up there, right? Let's just go ahead. Let's just go at him. Start giving him cans now. And if he makes a move now, you gotta be ready because there's doors right there, people's doors.
Come back here. Come back here.
Want this open or
Yeah, you can open it. Open it. Go ahead and tell him to stand up, Steve.
All right, man. Go ahead and stand up. Surrender peacefully. This dog's gonna come and take you out, man. Show us your hands. Stand up. Show us your hands. Keep your hands up.
Call that arrest team up here.
Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down.
Slide down. Slide down.
All the way down. All the way down. Okay. Come on, keep coming. Keep coming. I'll just put him right over here. Step over here. Face this wall. Face this wall. Hands behind your head. Hands behind your head. God, man. I'll let you guys search him. You can search him. Give me a search dog. With you.